JLC-Tech's mission is to bring your design intent to life through structurally integrated lighting. Our lighting solutions span a variety of ceiling types, each engineered for effortless integration and installation. As our product lines evolved, we expanded into gypsum ceilings and walls with Sorella, our linear recessed fixture, and GIRO, our perimeter integrated fixture. In addition to the trim flange for gypsum ceilings, GIRO is also available with a mud flange option for a sleek finished look. This version, paired with Sorella, unlocks additional installation possibilities and supports a wider range of design aesthetics. Both GIRO and Sorella housings are separate elements that can be shipped ahead for integration into the ceiling, streamlining the construction process. The light modules for both GIRO and Sorella snap easily into the installed housings. Their minimalist designs complement and enhance the clean, continuous aesthetic of the ceiling. With our gypsum integration options, you can maintain consistent lighting throughout a space. From grid to gypsum integrated lighting, our mission remains the same: to simplify specification and installation while keeping your vision at the forefront. With a range of integrated solutions that work together visually and structurally, JLC-Tech makes it easy to create cohesive, unified lighting designs across any project.